Hey peeps, Dee here. Welcome to my studio. Welcome to my channel. And, welcome to this little explanation. It's not a tutorial. Now, I get a lot of questions about these boxes that I store my canes in. Yeah, because you know what? They're perfect. They're perfect for storing little teeny weeny canes. And, you save yourself a lot of work, some work, if you store your little canes and you don't let them get mushed up into your scrap. All right, so as a matter of fact, some of my canes are way old. So these translucent ones are the originals, made by J&J. They are clearly for bullets. 357 Remington Max large rifle. Okay, so these were the original ones, and I want you to take a look at the difference in the height of these two guys. You see that? Yeah, this is quite a bit taller. Also, the individual cells are larger. Now, I did measure the individual cells of this, and they are 3/8 of an inch square. This one is almost 1/4 of an inch square. So not only taller, but the individual cells are larger. That's nice. Now, I searched on Amazon and I found these guys, and I ordered them because I needed to see what the difference was between what I had and what they have on Amazon. So overall, the dimensions this way are the same. The difference between these two, however, is the height. You see, this one's way shorter, which is not necessarily a disadvantage. It's nice having this and the tall one. But this small one is extremely useful because as you're using your canes, of course, they get shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. And if you put a very short cane in here, it can be sometimes very difficult to get out. Now, there's a solution. If all you have is this and you have little teeny short canes, you can always take, if I could find a blade, I would show you. You can always take just something, a little bit of something, a little wad of clay, roll it into a ball, maybe drop it in one of the cells, and then put the cane on top of it. So you can actually grip it or grab it. Otherwise, sometimes it gets very difficult because they fall way down in the cells. And then you have to do like stab them to get them out. Okay, so that's this one, a little bit taller. Now, the dimensions of the cells here are also 3/8 of an inch square. Each one of those little cells is 3/8 of an inch. Okay, now let's look at the other one I got. Bigger. Well, not necessarily bigger, taller, which of course makes it perfect for a cane that is taller in height, like these guys. These are taller. The one thing is these cells are the same size as these. 3/8 of an inch square, 3/8 of an inch square. So I have yet to find the 1/4 inch. This is 1/4 inch taller. So ideally you would want to have this and this and this. Ideally, that's what you... I might even toss this. Well, actually, this guy and this guy are very close to the same, except the translucent one is a tiny bit shorter. But I think as a beginning, initially, if you can't find this big guy, I think that these two are really pretty good. Yeah, they are. Because the purpose is to store your smaller canes, isn't it? You don't necessarily want to put like a great big cane in something like this. When I use this and I reduce it, if I reduce it down, chances are I'll end up with some of it here and some of it here. Although reducing this flower way down might not make it. No, I think, yeah, I could put it in there. Well, definitely, I could put it in there. It just won't be as tall. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Because as I said, the individual cells in these two boxes are the same size. Okay. Well, I think that's it for this little explanation. When I recommend things to you, I have to buy them. And everything on the Amazon list, I have actually bought myself. Yeah, because look, I want you to get what you want, and I want to make sure that they're the right things. Okay, so that's it for me today. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm signing off. Bye.